Good morning, Year 1. Welcome to your maths lesson for Monday the 25th of January. And today we are going to learn the number bonds that make 20. So first we're going to practice counting in twos. So I think we need to keep practicing counting in twos, fives and tens until we all know them off by heart. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Well done if you joined in at home. Now we're going to count in fives. So remember, when we count in fives, our number either ends in a 5 or a 0. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. Last one, we're going to count in tens, and this time all of our numbers end in a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, what is a number bond? A number bond is a pair of numbers that add up to a certain number. Last week, you practiced using your number bonds to 10. So you would do like 5 add 5 equals 10, 7 add 3 equals 10, 6 add 4 equals 10. You need to learn those off by heart, so keep practicing them. Today, we are going to move on to number bonds to 20, something else that we need to know off by heart, because it will help us with lots of different things in maths, like adding, taking away, all of those kinds of things, times tables. So, can you think off the top of your head of two numbers you could add together to make 20? Keep that in your head because you might need it as we move on. So, where's my mouse? There he is. Number bonds to 20. 10 add something, so we've got 10 here in our numicorn. Add something equals 20. What do we need to add to 10 to make 20? Well, this is what we've added on this side, isn't it? So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was right. 10 add 10 makes 20. So if I count all of these and all of these, it should make 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 add 10 equals 20. That's a number bond. This time I've got the number 9. What do I add to 9 to make 20? So you could put 9 in your head and count on till you get to 20 and see how many times you count on. So if I put 9 in my head, I've got 9 here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that was 10 and 1. That was 11. So I think 9 add 1, 9 add 11, equals 20. Shall we see? I was right. 9 add 11 equals 20. Oops, just hid the answer again. But 9 add 11 equals 20. So this time I've got 8 and I want to make 20. What do you think I need to add to 8 to make 20? Well, if I imagine that the 8 is here, we can count how many left over I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think that might be 12. Shall we check? Whoops. Wrong button. Yes, 8 add 12 is 20. Can you see a pattern? So last week you did number bonds to 10. And one of your number bonds to 10 is 8 add 2 equals 10. This time we've got 8 add 12 equals 20. So there's a bit of a pattern there, isn't there? 17 add something equals 20. So what's missing? 17, 18, 19, 20. 17 add 3. Let's see. Sorry, I had to move. The sun was in my eyes through the window there. Yes, 17 add 3 equals 20. 6 add something equals 20. Now, if you can remember your number bonds to 10 and you remember that 6 add 4 equals 10, we just add 10 more to the 4, and it's 6 add 14 equals 20. I was right. 6 add 4 is 10, 6 add 14 is 20. Okay then, 5 add something equals 20. Have a think. Maybe get some things to count if you haven't already got them in front of you, or draw your dots. You need to make 20 by adding 5 to something. What could it be? Have a go. You had a look at that? Okay then, let's see. Did you get 15? Well done if you did. Now we've got 4 add something equals 20. Have a try at home again. You can use your fingers to count, you can count on in your heads, you can get some things to help you count. You need 20 items all together. Got it? Let's see. It is 16. 4 add 16 equals 20. What about 13? What do we add to 13 to make 20? Can you have a go at home? 13 add 7 equals 20. 12 add something equals 20. So if you've got your 20 items, count out 12 and then see how many are left, and that will give you our missing number. And then you've got your number bond. You done that? Okay then, 12 add, oops, I keep forgetting to press the button. 8 equals 20. 11 add something equals 20. Again, get your 20 items, count out 11, and then see how many are left over to find your number bond. Or you might be able to use your head, your fingers, or you might be able to use your number bonds to 10 to help you. You got that? Brilliant. 11 add 9 equals 20. Oh, well, we had 5 earlier, didn't we? We've already had 15. So we added 15 to 5 to make 20. So these number bonds work both ways round. So 15 add 5 makes 20 and 5 add 15 makes 20. Here are your activities for today. So you're going to need your worksheet or paper and pencil, and you might need some things to count if you've got some at home. So it could be Lego cubes, it could be buttons, bits of pasta, anything you've got at home that you can count. You'll need 20 of them. So if you are a Gruffalo, this is the sheet that you're looking at today. So you've got sticks of squares. There is 10 on each one, and 10 add 10 makes 20. Well done. So you count out the white squares and write it in the first box, and count out the grey squares and put it in the second box, and that's your number. 18 white squares add 2 grey squares equals 20 squares all together. So 18 add 20 is 18 add 2, is a number bond to 20. If you are a fox, a snake, or an owl, you're doing something similar to what we did on the board with the Numicon, finding out the missing number. Now don't worry if you don't have any Numicon with you at home. Again, you can just use your items, you can use your, you can draw dots, you can use your fingers, anything that you think will help you to count how many more you will need to make 20. And if you are a mouse, you don't have anything to count on your sheet, so you'll need your items or your fingers. And you've got a box, and at the box it says 20. We're finding the two parts that make 20. So one part is 8. How many more do I need to make 20? Well, earlier we said that 12 add 8 equals 20. So the missing part is 12. It's a bit like a part-whole model, but instead of circles, you've got squares. Hope that makes sense to you and you have fun finding out all of your number bonds to 20. Remember to practice number bonds to 20 and to 10, and tomorrow we'll be looking at number bonds to 20 again. Have a good day and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.